Hey guys, Mira here. One of the biggest reasons people fail with Amazon FBA isn't because they can't create a listing or run ads. It's because they choose the wrong product. The good thing is that you don't have to guess what the winning products are. With the right research, you can find products with strong demand, manageable competition, and healthy profit potential before you spend any money. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use SellerSprite's product research tools to find winning Amazon FBA product opportunities, along with the key metrics that you should be looking at and the common mistakes to avoid. Okay, so before you start looking for products, it's important to know what actually makes a product worth selling. A winning product isn't just something that's popular. Ideally, you want a product with consistent demand, reasonable competition, healthy profit margins, and room for improvement. Just because a product sells thousands of units every month doesn't automatically mean it's a good opportunity. If the market is already dominated by well-established brands, it can be very difficult to compete. Instead, you're looking for products that people are actively buying, but that there's still an opportunity for a new seller to stand out. Then once you know what you're looking for, it's time to start generating ideas. And this is where SellerSprite comes in. SellerSprite is currently the largest Amazon seller software platform in Asia and is trusted by more than 1.8 million registered Amazon sellers worldwide. More than just a product research tool, SellerSprite is an Amazon market intelligence platform that helps sellers discover new product opportunities and make more informed decisions before they invest. Instead of scrolling through Amazon and guessing what might sell, SellerSprite's product research tools let you search using real marketplace data to identify promising opportunities based on demand, pricing, competition, and market trends. So instead of looking through thousands of products manually, you can quickly narrow your search to products that match the criteria you're looking for. For example, many sellers start by looking for products priced between $25 and $70 with steady monthly sales and relatively low review counts, then narrow them down from there. At this point, don't worry about finding the perfect product. Your goal is to simply build a list of products that look promising enough to research further. And if at any point SellerSprite sounds like something you want to check out, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get 35% off of your plan, which brings the price down quite a bit. After you've found a few potential products, the next step is making sure people are actually buying them consistently. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is choosing a product simply because they think it's a good idea. Instead, you want to rely on data. With SellerSprite, you can look at estimated monthly sales, revenue, search volume, and historical trends. A product that sells well month after month is usually a much safer choice than one that's only popular for a short period or during a specific season. You should also pay attention to whether demand has been growing, staying consistent, or declining over time. Looking at these trends can help you avoid investing in products that may already be losing popularity. You should also be careful with products that only spike during certain times of the year, unless you're specifically planning to sell seasonal products. It's usually safer to focus on products with consistent year-round demand. Now, just because a product has strong demand, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a good opportunity. You also need to see who you're competing against. With SellerSprite, you can look at things like the average number of reviews, pricing, sales estimates, and how established the top sellers are. So if the first page is filled with brands that have thousands of reviews, it may be difficult for a new seller to break into that market. On the other hand, if you find products with healthy demand, but lower review counts and less established competition, that could be a much better opportunity. SellerSprite also lets you monitor competitors over time, so instead of looking at just one snapshot, you can see how a market is changing and whether new sellers are successfully entering it. Once you found a product that looks promising, it's worth confirming that customers are actually searching for it. SellerSprite lets you view search volume, keyword trends, and related search terms, so you can validate demand before moving forward. At this stage, you're simply making sure there's enough customer interest to support your product idea. We'll get much deeper into keyword research and competitor keyword analysis in another video. Now, before you place an order with a supplier, it's worth taking one final look at everything that you found. Ask yourself whether the product has consistent demand, manageable competition, enough profit margin after Amazon's fees, and whether there's something you can do to improve on what's already being sold. It's also worth checking whether the product has any legal restrictions, patents, or certifications that can make it more difficult or expensive to sell. If a product checks all those boxes, then you've probably found something worth looking into further. If not, don't be afraid to move on. Spending a little extra time researching now is much better than investing thousands of dollars into a product that was never likely to succeed in the first place. That being said, in terms of the cost, SellerSprite offers several different plans depending on how heavily you plan to use the platform. With the exclusive discount plans, they start at $32 per month, giving you access to SellerSprite's core product research, market intelligence, keyword research, and competitor analysis tools. And if you need higher usage limits and more advanced features, there are also standard, advanced, and VIP plans available for growing businesses. If you choose annual billing, you'll also save compared to paying monthly. And if you're ready to commit, SellerSprite also offers a 3-day free trial, so you can explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for your business before purchasing it. Wrapping it up, finding a winning Amazon FBA product isn't about getting lucky. It's about making decisions based on data instead of guesswork. If you're serious about selling on Amazon, having reliable product research data can save you from making expensive mistakes. SellerSprite brings together product research, market intelligence, and data-driven insights to help you discover better opportunities before you invest in them. Again, if you're interested in trying SellerSprite, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get 35% off of your subscription. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, a thumbs up is always appreciated. And of course, if you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I always enjoy helping out where I can. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.